Hello and welcome to Encryption, the tech tips and tutorials channel.
In this video, I'll show you how to change the default WordPress login URL. By default, most WordPress websites use common login URLs like /wp-admin or /wp-login.php. These URLs are easy to guess, and many bots keep trying to access them again and again. Changing the login URL does not replace proper security, but it helps reduce unwanted login attempts and keeps the login page less exposed. In this tutorial, I will show you how to do it without writing any code. First, I am opening the website normally. This is the public site of website and everything is loading as usual. Now I will test the default WordPress admin URL. I am opening the site with /wp-admin. As you can see, WordPress takes me to the normal login page. This means the default WordPress login URL is currently active. Now I'll log into the WordPress dashboard. After logging in, we are inside the WordPress admin area. To change the login URL, we need to install a plugin. From the left menu, go to Plugins, then click Add Plugin. Now search for WPS Hide Login. This is the plugin we are going to use. Click Install now. And after the installation is complete, click Activate. Once the plugin is activated, we need to configure the new login URL. Go to Settings, then click General. Scroll down to the bottom of the General Settings page. Here you will see a new section called WPS Hide Login. In the login URL field, we can enter our new custom login path. For this demo, I am using a sample login URL like sec-login-225. You can use your own custom code here, but don't use something too obvious like login, admin or dashboard. Below that, there is a redirection URL field. This is where visitors will be redirected if they try to access the old login URLs while they are not logged in. For this demo, I am keeping it as 404. That means if someone tries to open the old login URL, they will see a not found page. Now click Save Changes. The settings are saved successfully. At this point, the WordPress login URL has been changed. Now let's test it. I'll log out or open the website as a visitor and then try the old WordPress login URL again. First, I'll try /wp-admin. Now you can see that the old admin URL no longer opens the login page. Instead, it shows a page not found page. This means the default WordPress login URL is now hidden from normal visitors. Now let's test the new custom login URL. I will open the new login path that we created. In this demo, it is sec-login-225. Now the WordPress login page appears. So for now on, this custom URL is the login URL for this website. You should save this login URL somewhere safe because you will need it whenever you want to log in to the WordPress dashboard. Now I'll log in using the new custom login URL. After logging in, we are back inside the WordPress dashboard. This confirms that the new login URL is working properly. Now I'll show you where you can change these settings again if needed. Go back to the settings, then general and scroll down to the WPS Hide Login section. Here you can update the login URL anytime. If you change this field, make sure you remember the new URL. Now let's also look at how to disable this feature if you want to go back to the normal WordPress login URL. Go to Plugins, then Installed Plugins. Find WPS Hide Login in the plugin list. Click Deactivate. Once the plugin is deactivated, WordPress goes back to the default login behavior. That means /wp-admin and /wp-login.php will start working again. Now I'll test it again. I'll open a normal WordPress login URL. As you can see, the default WordPress login page is available again. So this is also the rollback method. If you no longer want the custom login URL, you can simply deactivate the plugin. Just remember one important thing. Changing the login URL is only one small security improvement. You should still use a strong password, keep WordPress themes and plugins updated, and use two-factor authentication if possible. So that's how you can change the WordPress login URL without coding. Test the new login URL and also revert back to the default login URL if needed. That's all for this video. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more WordPress and website security tutorials. Thanks for watching.